Good morning students. So last class I will discuss about the molecular velocities and relation between the molecular velocities. So what is the relation of the molecular velocity? Cp is to C bar is to C, most probable velocity, average velocity. This is the most probable velocity, it is the average velocity, it is the RMS velocity. So what are the definitions of the molecular velocities we know? And next one, ratios between these three velocities, and first one is the most probable velocity, and second one average velocity, and third one RMS velocity. That is the root 2 is to, and root 2 8 by pi is to root 3. Okay, root 3 is to, root 8 by 5 is to, and root 2. This is the last class I will discuss about the total definitions and the relations between the molecular velocities, and also discuss about the Maxwell-Boltzmann, and also discuss about the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution curve. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution curve. The graph plot between number of molecules versus velocity at different temperatures, that is the T1, T2 and T3. So last class I will discuss about the number of the plot graph between number of molecule versus velocity at different temperature. Here T3 is higher than T2 and T1. So we draw the plot between number of molecule versus velocity, and third one is the flattened and finally become bordered. So what is the versus number of molecule versus velocity at different temperatures? This is the T1 and T2 and T3. Okay, as the temperature increases, what is the graph? The temperature increases, the maximum graph decreases, and finally flattened and becomes to border. So the temperature increases, it is a become graph converted into border. So the number of molecular velocities mainly depends upon the temperature and molecular mass. So also draw graph between the number of molecules versus velocity at different molecular masses. So and finally it become a bordered. So it also discussed last class. It is the M1, M2, M3. Here we know the three velocities. What are the three velocities? Cp, C bar and C, means most probable velocity, average velocity and RMS velocity. So last class the total discussed about the molecular velocities and Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution curve at different temperatures and different molecular mass. So as the temperature increases, the graph becomes bordered. So that is the final report of the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution curve. So now I will start about some problems on the molecular velocities. So all of you take the book, volume 2 in chemistry. Page number 95, volume 2, page number 95, question number 87. Question number 87. RMS velocity of a gas molecule is equal to what is the RMS velocity? And given four options. Option 1, under square root of 2 RT by m. Number 2, under square root of 3 RT by m. And third one, under square root of 8 RT by pi m. And fourth one, under square root of RT by m. So we given the four options. Which one is the correct? We will find out. So RMS velocity of a gas molecule is equal to. So already known average velocity, RMS velocity, average velocity and most probable velocity. So what is RMS velocity? And square root of 3 RT by m, and average velocity 8 RT by pi m, and most probable velocity 2 RT by m. So we know the three values of the molecular velocity. So what is the question? RMS velocity of a gas molecule is equal to RMS velocity. ఈ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఏది కరెక్ట్ అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఓకేనా? సో we will find out the answer, that is RMS velocity, that is the second option, 3 RT by m. Clear nana? And next one, second question, number 88. What is the question? The RMS velocity of the molecule, is minimum. We give the four options. Number 1, N2 O2, N2 SO2, and third one CO2, and fourth one SO3. So we give the four options. So the RMS velocity of the molecule is a minimum. Among these four gas, which one having the minimum RMS velocity? So 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు, దట్ మీన్స్ 4 గ్యాసెస్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఆ 4 గ్యాసెస్లో RMS velocity ఏ గ్యాస్కి మినిమం ఉంటుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ది మాలిక్యులర్ మాస్ ఆఫ్ ది అమాంగ్ 4 గ్యాసెస్. ఈ 4 గ్యాసెస్ యొక్క RMS మాలిక్యులర్ మాస్ని మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో వి నో ద ఆల్ అటామిక్ నెంబర్స్ ఆఫ్ ది నైట్రోజన్, సల్ఫర్, ఆక్సిజన్, కార్బన్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ nitrogen. It contains the 2 nitrogens, each nitrogen atomic number 7, and atomic weight it's converted to double, that is a 14. Is a 2 into 14, that is equal to 28. And next one, SO2. Each sulfur atomic number 16. This sulfur atomic number 16, and atomic weight is a 32. So 32. Here the only one sulfur. So 32. Is a 2 oxygens. Each oxygen atomic number 8, and atomic weight is a 16. Is a 2 oxygens are there, 2 into 16. So 32 plus 32, that equal to 64. And third one, carbon atomic number 6 and atomic weight 12, plus 2 into 2 oxygens, each oxygen atomic weight 16. So 12 plus 32, that equal to 44. And next one, fourth one, sulfur trioxide. So each sulfur atomic number 16, atomic mass 32, plus 3 oxygens, I say 3 into 16. So 32 plus 3 into 48, total 80. Clear nana? So among these four, which one having the highest molecular weight? So based on the molecular weights, nitrogen 28, sulfur dioxide 64, carbon dioxide 44, and sulfur trioxide 80. Okay, which one having the highest molecular weight? Sulfur trioxide. Okay, here the question, the RMS velocity of the molecule is minimum. Among these four, which one having the highest molecular weight? Sulfur trioxide. That any gas molecule having the high molecular weight, anyone having the high molecular weight, the RMS velocity is the minimum. Among these four, any one gas having the lowest molecular weight, the RMS velocity is the high. And among these four, and the fourth option is the correct. So the RMS velocity of the molecule is minimum of the sulfur trioxide. Clear nana? And next one, next one, 89. The ratio between the most probable velocity Mean velocity means average velocity, and root mean square velocity is it will be four options. Number one, root 2 is to root 8 by 5 is to root 3. Okay, and second one, 1 is to 2 is to 3, and third one, 1 is to root 2 is to root 3, and option 4, 1 is to root 8 by 5 is to root 3. Okay, so చూడండి నేను ఒకసారి, the ratio between the most probable velocity, mean velocity means average velocity, and RMS velocity. Here the four molecular velocities are given. The first one is the most probable speed, that means Cp, and mean velocity means average velocity, that is the C bar, and RMS velocity, that is the C. Okay, so we know the three RMS velocities, C RMS root of 3 RT by m, C average velocity 8 RT by pi m, and most probable velocity 2 RT by pi m. Sorry, 2 RT by m. That is a 2 RT by m is to 8 RT by pi m is 3 RT by m. Clear? So what is the relation between these three? Root 2, 8 by root 8 by 5, and root 3. And among these four options, anyone is there? Yes, that is the first one, that is the root 2, root 8 by 5, root 3. That the first answer is the correct. The ratio between the most probable velocity, mean velocity, and RMS velocity is the root 2, root 8 by 5, root 3. Clear, Nana? And next question. Next one. 91. At STP, the order of RMS velocities of H2, N2, O2, and HBr molecules. And given the four options, number 1, H2 is greater than, N2 is greater than, O2 is greater than HBr. And second one, HBr is greater than, O2 is greater than, N2 is greater than H2. And third option, HBr is greater than, H2 is greater than, N2 is greater than O2. And fourth one, N2 greater than, O2 greater than, H2 greater than HBr. Okay. So question చూడండి అన్న. At STP, what is the meaning of STP? Standard temperature and pressure. The order of the RMS velocities of H2, N2, O2, and HBr molecules. We find out the RMS velocity of the following gases. So RMS 4 gases ఇచ్చాడు మనకి. ఆ 4 gases లో RMS velocity ని ఆర్డర్ లో సెట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. So what is the order of the RMS velocity of the following gases? So first of all, you find out the molecular mass of the following 4 gases. First one, H2. Here 2 hydrogens are there. Each hydrogen is a 1, that is equal to 2. Okay. And next one, N2. So each nitrogen is atomic number 7, atomic weight 14. So 2 into 14, that is equal to 28. And third one, O2. Okay. So O2 is, the 2 oxygens are there. Each oxygen atomic number 8 and atomic weight 16. 2 into 16, that equal to 32. And fourth one, HBr. Here the bromine or bromide atomic number 35 and atomic weight 79.9, almost 80. So here the one hydrogen, 1 plus 1 bromine are there, that is 79.9. So almost 80, that is the 80. Okay, Nana? 79, 80 plus 1, that is equal to 81. And here the S2 is the atomic mass, molecular mass 2, nitrogen 28, oxygen 32 and HBr 81. So what is the order of the RMS velocity of the following gases? That among these four gases, anyone having the low molecular mass, it is the high RMS velocity. So among these four, hydrogen is the low molecular mass compared with the remaining two. And second one, nitrogen is the second order, and third one, oxygen, and fourth one, HBr. So what is the order? S2 is greater than, N2 is greater than, O2 is greater than HBr. This is the correct order of the four gases of H2, N2, O2, HBr. So the answer is there in the four options S, that is the S2, N2, O2, HBr. Clear, Nana? What is the answer? At STP, the order of the RMS velocities of H2, N2, O2, HBr of the molecule is S2 greater than, N2 greater than, O2 greater than, HBr. Clear, Nana? And next question. Next question. (92). The RMS velocity of velocity of gas molecules at NTP, normal temperature pressure, NTP, cannot be calculated from one of the following formula. And given four options. Number 1, under square root of 3pV by T, and second one, under square root of 3pV by M, and third one, under square root of 3RT by M, and fourth one, under square root of 3RT by D. 3RT by D. Clear, Nana? So question చూడండి ఒకసారి. Question చూడండి, Nana. So the RMS velocity of a gas molecule, at NTP, normal temperature pressure, cannot be calculated from one of the following formula. Here the four formulas are there in the options 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one cannot be calculated by RMS velocity? మనకు 4 ఫార్ములాస్ ఇచ్చాడు నాన్న. ఆ 4 ఫార్ములాస్లో ఏ ఫార్ములా RMS velocity calculate చేయదు. So here the 4 options are there, 4 formulas are there, and among these 4, one is the does not calculate the RMS velocity. So that is the answer. That the question is cannot be calculated. Here the important cannot be calculated from one of the following formulas. So we know the RMS velocity, that is the under square root of 3RT by M, under square root of 3RT by M. This is the RMS velocity. It's converted into under square root of 3pV by M. Why convert into RT is equal to PV? We know the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. Is an 1 mole of the gas, PV is equal to RT. So RT replaced by the PV. So under square root of 3pV by M. So we know the density, mass by volume. Density is a mass by volume. So here the volume by mass, that is equal to 1 by D. So under square root of 3pV by D. Okay. In the RMS velocity, here the 4 options are there, and 3 options are there. 3 options are 3RT by M, 3pV by M, 3pV by T. But one is the cannot be calculated by the RMS velocity. That is the one is the wrong answer. That is the here the first one 3pV by T. Here there 3pV by T, under square root of 3pV by M, yes there, and third one under square root of 3RT by M, yes, And finally, under square root of 3RT by D. It does not calculate the RMS velocity. So answer is fourth one. So RMS velocity of the gas molecules at normal temperature pressure cannot be calculated from one of the following formula. There is the fourth one, under square root of 3RT by D. Clear? And next one. Next question. Next one చూడండి అన్న. In the calculation of RMS velocity, question number 93. In the calculation of RMS velocity in centimeter per second, the units of R should be in, here the four options are there. Number 1, x mole per Kelvin, and option 2, joule mole per Kelvin, and option 3, calories per mole Kelvin, and fourth one, x. So question student, question is, in the calculation of RMS velocity, so if the calculation of RMS velocity is centimeters per second, the units of R should be in. Yes, in the RMS velocity. What is the RMS velocity? See, RMS is equal to under square root of 3RT by m. Okay, that RMS velocity calculation in the centimeters per second. RMS velocity is calculated in centimeters per second. Here, what is the R in units? What are the units of the R in the RMS velocity? That is the 8.314 into 10 power 7 ergs per mole per Kelvin. That is the value of the R in the RMS velocity in centimeters per second. So here the units are, what are the units of the R in the RMS velocity? That is the ergs moles per Kelvin. So what is the answer in the options? Among these four options, there is the one. First one is the correct answer. Clear, Nana? Our next question. What is the next question? Average velocity is equal to, question number 94. Average velocity is equal to, the four options are there. That is the 0.8 RMS velocity, 0.8 RMS velocity, and number 2, 0.981 RMS velocity, and option 3, 0.9213 RMS velocity, and fourth one, 0.756 RMS velocity. That's the four options. So what is the average velocity is equal to? Average velocity is equal to, so already I will discuss about the last class in the molecular velocities. So here the average velocity 8RT by pi m. So that is equal to average velocity, that is equal to 0.9213. That is 0.9213 into RMS velocity. So ఇది ఆల్రెడీ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో చెప్పున్నాను. That is the average velocity is equal to 0.9213 into RMS velocity. That is the average velocity is equal to the third option, that is 0.9213 RMS velocity. Clear? And next one. Next question is, next question. RMS velocity of a gas is calculated with the formula under square root of 3 PV by m if volume is increased by 3 times, the RMS velocity of the gas. So that is the question, and the 4 options. Number 1, increase by 3 times. Option 2, decrease by 9 times. And third one, increase by root 3 times. And fourth one, does not change. That is the question, and 4 options. RMS velocity of the gas is calculated with the formula of under square root of 3 PV by m. RMS velocity in 3 PV by m formula to calculate చేస్తున్నారు. If volume is increased by 3 times, volume is just increased by 3 times. Though the RMS velocity of the gas ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు here does not change. Why does not it change? Here the RMS velocity independent of volume. So does not increase by 3 times, does not decrease by 9 times, and does not increase by root 3 times. Here the does not change of the RMS velocity of the gas. Clear? So once again I will repeat it. RMS velocity of a gas is calculated with the formula of under square root of 3 PV by m. If volume is increased by 3 times, the RMS velocity of the gas does not change. Why does not change? Here the RMS velocity independent of the volume. So does not depend on the volume. So does not change of the RMS velocity. Clear Nana? And next one and last one. Question number 100. Question number 100. At the same temperature, which of the following pair of gases have same RMS velocity? And the 4 options. Number 1, Cl2 O2 and 2 O2 O3, and option 3, C3H8 CO2, and option 4, CO2 CO. Okay, చూడండి అన్న. At the same temperature, which of the following pair of the gases have the same RMS velocity? మనకు 4 pairs ఇచ్చాడు, ఆఫ్ ది 4 pair of the gas ఇచ్చాడు. అందులో ఏ పేర్ RMS velocity సేమ్ ఉంటుంది? ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ది molecular mass of the all gases. First one, Cl2O2, here the chlorine 17 atomic number, atomic weight 35, 2 chlorines 235, 2 into 35 plus 2 oxygen 2 into 16. Here each oxygen atomic weight 16, the 2 oxygen 16, 2 into 35, 70 plus 32, that is equal to 102. Clear? Each chlorine atomic number 17, atomic weight 35, 2 chlorines are there, 2 into 35, 70 plus 2 oxygen 2 into 16, 32. So that is a 70 plus 32, 102. And next one, oxygen. Here the oxygen calculate చేద్దాం నాన్న. క్లోరిన్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? సారీ నాన్న, ఒకసారి చూడండి. సో ఈచ్ గ్యాస్ the chlorine 2 into 35, that is equal to 70. Oxygen, that is equal to 2 into 16, that is equal to 32. Okay, and here the oxygen 2 into 16, 2 oxygens, 2 into 16, that is equal to 32. And O3, 3 into 16, that is equal to 48. Okay, and next one, C3H8, here 3 carbons are there, each carbon atomic number 6, atomic weight 12, 3 into 12, plus 8 hydrogens are there, each hydrogen having the 1, so 36 plus 8, that is equal to 40. And next one, carbon dioxide, that each carbon is the atomic number 6 and atomic weight 12, and 2 oxygens, 2 into 16, 12 plus 32. Okay, 36 plus 8, 44, and 12 plus 32, 44. It is both are equal. And next one, CO2, is a C, atomic number 6, 12 plus 2 oxygens, 2 into 16, that is equal to 12 plus 32, that is equal to 44. And next one, CO, and each carbon atomic number 6 and atomic weight 12, and each oxygen, here the one oxygen there, that is a 12 plus 16, that is equal to 28. And among these four options, here the C3H8 and CO2 equal molecular mass. Guess the point? Here the C3H8 and CO2 having the same molecular weights. So that the question is, at the same temperature, which of the following pair of gases have the same RMS velocity? Among these four pairs of gases, here C3H8 and CO2 have the same molecular mass. Here the same RMS velocity. That any pair of gases equal molecular mass, equal or same RMS velocity. That is finally what is the answer in the question? C3H8 CO2 at the same temperature, which of the following pair of gases have the same RMS velocity? That is C3H8 CO2. Why? The two gases are having the same molecular mass, so same RMS velocity. The third option is the correct. Okay, Nana? Thank you, students. Tomorrow I will continue. So what about in the tomorrow ante real gases? Today I will told about the total discussion about the molecular velocities on some problems on molecular velocity. Tomorrow I will discuss about the real gases. So what are the real gases? Why deviate the real gases from ideal behavior? What is the RMS, what is the real, and what about the ideal? Tomorrow I will continue. Thank you, students.